On building this bucket wheel excavator, I realised that it ran too slow. See, here's an example. So what I decided to do was to speed it up a bit. Here are the parts for the upgrade. Instead of using the remote and the receiver, you can also use a switch. Okay, so to start the upgrade, take off the battery pack. Okay, next we're going to get into the gears in here, just to adjust the gear ratio. So pull off the side piece. And this one here. Now we've got to pry it open just a little bit, just to pop it out here. Okay, here we've exposed the gears. So now slide off the two small gears. As well as the clutch gears. And we're going to replace those with these extra gears here. Okay, there we are. So we've now upped the gear ratio. So now we're going to put it back together again. Okay, there we are. So that's pretty good. We haven't put a second motor in, so we're going to do that now. So slide a few black pins in here. Okay, so now we're attaching the motor. I've used a second XL Power Functions motor. So I'm putting this piece back on. Now we haven't got a place for the battery box and the IR receiver, so we're going to put those in now. So we're going to use these pieces from the battery box for part of our project. Here I'm putting this piece on here, and then this blue one as well. Okay, so this piece here attaches on like that, and this blue one just bend slightly back there and slide it into place. There we are. So for the IR receiver, I'm going to plug those in. Put those in. Attach it under here. We'll run the cable up and plug it into the battery box. Now we've got the two motor cables. Put those in each, one blue port and one red port. Okay, so now for the remote control. So we've now got to combine the two switches so that they both go at once, because at the moment if we just plug them in without the IR receiver and the remote control in, they'll run in the wrong directions. So this will mean that with this setup they'll run in the correct direction. So we're ready to try it out. So here we have it with the upgrade complete. As you can see, it's much faster. It should run at about 4 times the speed. Also, another thing this bucket wheel excavator can do, which I was surprised at, it can turn, but this can stay at the same spot. See here? So it's a lot faster, but let's put some rubber on. I think it's an improvement.